Hello, my name is Jenny Samaniego. I am the founder of Conexión Chocolate. We are based in Ecuador, where the cacao grows and where we make all our chocolate. At Conexión Chocolate, we craft our chocolate at origin, working directly with cacao cooperatives across the country. And everything we do here is about honoring people, flavor, and where the cacao is grown. Today, I want to introduce our new release in 55% our chocolate couverture called Ecuador. This chocolate is made with a blend of origins from the Amazon and coastal region of Ecuador. This chocolate is all about balance. It highlights a delicious, fine flavor chocolate. It has hints of toffee, caramel, and a gentle night. What makes Ecuador 55% truly enjoyable is how naturally it fits into your everyday baking. This chocolate works beautiful in cakes, ganache, brownies, and even hot chocolate, whether you're baking for others or for yourself. This is the chocolate that you can really rely on to elevate your creations. What makes Conexión Chocolate special, aside from our ethical specialty chocolate couvertures, is that we are a woman-owned business working directly with over 4,500 family farmers. By making our chocolate at origin, we're protecting flavor, ensuring traceability, and creating a real impact where cacao is grown. For us, chocolate is more than an ingredient. Then for us, this Ecuador 55 chocolate couverture is our way of sharing that connection in a chocolate that is honest, approachable, and delicious. We can't wait to see when you create with it. Enjoy.